Hello children, hope you all are safe and fine. We have completed our first lesson of English, and today we are going to look at the paper style. So this is your English first language paper style. 006 is your code. 3 hours paper, 100 marks. Section A. Section A is first question will be prose comprehension, and that will be MCQ type of questions where you have to choose the correct option, and the marks will be 4. 4 questions, 4 marks. Next question will be fill-ups, where a passage with fill in the gaps will be given, and in bracket you will be given words, and then you have to choose the correct word. That will be 4 marks again. Okay, but the gaps will be 8, that is half mark per fill-up. Next in section A will be your prose question. So it will be for 12 marks. That means 3 marks each question. 4 questions will be asked. Section B will be your poetry comprehension. A passage, stanza will be given. Okay, so poetry stanza from the textbook, and 2 questions will be asked. Next will be a figure of speech question from poetry for 3 marks. Then will be poetry questions for 6 marks. So 3 questions, 2 marks each. Supplementary questions, that will be 3 questions, 9 marks. Next will be your section C, grammar. First will be rectify, that will be 4 marks. Next will be rewrite using meaning of idioms and phrases. First you have to identify the idioms and phrases, and marks will be 3. Next is your punctuate, where you have to put in all the signs like comma, semicolon, exclamation mark, question mark, inverted commas. So whatever is required, that will be your 2 marks. So almost 1/4 marks per punctuation mark, so that will means 8 punctuation marks for 2 marks. Direct indirect 4 marks. Transformation or do as directed will be 7 marks. Section D will be reading unseen passage comprehension, that will be 5 marks. Paraphrasing of poem unseen, again 5 marks. Data analysis in option note making can be asked for 5 marks. Then comes email, which may be asked formal email or informal email, or again option will be asked for advertisement, or any one of them will be asked. Section E is writing part. Report 5 marks or article writing 5 marks. Job application compulsory for 7 marks. Essay or speech 8 marks. So total that is 100 marks. Okay. Now we are going to look at the lesson. We have finished the lesson, but we have understood the paper style. So accordingly we are going to look at the questions. So we are going to read this passage from the text, that is your first lesson, and we are going to solve the MCQ question, that is your first question from the paper style. After grammar we had a lesson in writing. That day M. Hamel had new copies for us, written in beautiful round hand. France Alsace, France Alsace. They looked like little flags floating everywhere in the schoolroom, hung from the rod at the top of our desks. You ought to have seen how everyone set to work, and how quiet it was. Sorry. The only sound was scratching of pens over paper. Once some beetles flew in, but nobody paid any attention to them, not even the littlest ones, who worked right on dressing their fish hooks as if that was French too. On the roof the pigeons cooed very low, and I thought to myself, will they make them sing in German, even the pigeons? So this is the passage we have taken, and we are going to look at the MCQ type of questions. डैश क्लास प्रिसीडेड द क्लास इन राइटिंग. प्रिसीडेड मतलब उसके पहले कौन सा था. तो राइटिंग के पहले कौन सा था, ग्रामर. अल्सेस वॉज द नेम ऑफ, what is the correct answer, district. Dash was the only sound audible to students. Just now we saw scratching of pens. Written in round hand means written in fat hand, नहीं circular font. सर्कल्स भी नहीं और नीटली नहीं. द करेक्ट आंसर इज सर्कुलर फ्रंट. देखो यहाँ पे मैंने आई हैव गिवन यू द मीनिंग. राउंड हैंड मीन्स अ क्लियरली रिटन स्टाइल ऑफ लॉन्ग हैंड विथ लार्ज राउंड कर्व्स. Round curves means circular. So the correct answer will be circular font. Okay. So next we are going to use the same passage, but now we are going to use it for the question 2, that is vocabulary fill-ups. So I have given some words in the bracket. Try to fill them up. I am waiting for you. Try to do it on your own. Try to fit in the words. In a minute or two I will give you the answers. Everything you need to write down in your notebook. Now every time I don't have to tell you, right? So whenever we meet, I'm going to ask for the notebooks for checking. Okay, and that we're going to meet soon, right? And we may meet in a meeting online as well soon, so you better keep everything ready. Now you're in 12th, you have become responsible, I'm sure. I will not have to tell you again and again. So the fill-ups. They looked like little flags floating everywhere in the schoolroom. You ought to have seen how quiet it was. The only sound was scratching of pens over paper. Once some beetles flew in, but nobody paid any attention to them. Not even the little ones who worked right on tracing their fish hooks as if that was French too. On the roofs, the pigeons cooed very low. The last fill-up is on, जो वहाँ पे भी last ही मिलता है, right? Now the same passage again we are taking for punctuation. See, when you are taking the same passage over again and again, वो passage तो पक्का हो ही जाता है, वो पैरा तो पक्का हो ही जाता है. तो इस तरीके से तुमको भी तैयारी कर लेनी चाहिए. So for punctuation, they, even if 2 marks are there, or see exactly how many marks are there, so sometimes more number of commas might be there in the passage. So if you remember, you put all, but otherwise main to you need to put, and for main things they will give you the numbers. Okay, now numbers will be according to question, but here I am giving you 1 2 3 4. You see, look at the passage. You ought to have seen how quiet it was. वहाँ पे पहले आएगा तुम्हारा exclamation mark. The only sound was scratching of pens over paper. फिर आएगा full stop. Once some beetles flew in, semicolon, but nobody paid any attention to them, comma. Not even the littlest ones, again comma, who worked right on tracing their fish hooks, again comma, as if that was French, again comma, और 2 के बाद full stop. तो जहाँ पे नंबर दिया है उतने तुम करोगे तो अच्छा ही है, बट इफ़ यू रिमेंबर यू पुट ऑल द पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स. अदरवाइज मेन जो नंबर वाले हैं वो तो देने ही हैं. ऑन द रूफ द pigeons cooed very low, comma, and I thought to myself, will they make them sing in German, comma, even the pigeons, question mark, or inverted commas, complete. So that is the same passage now we have taken for punctuation. Okay. Now some words are given in your lesson. The tycoon has the origin in Japanese. Tycoon means big businessman or baron. Tulip has the origin in Persian language. Tulip is a kind of spring flower, जो अमिताभ बच्चन के देखा है कि ख्वाब वाले गाने में आते हैं ना, बहुत सारे कलरफुल ऑफ डिफरेंट कलर्स. लोगो इज अ कंपनी का कोई भी सिंबल या ट्रेडमार्क, तो यू आर अवेयर ऑफ इट. तो इट हैज़ ओरिजिन इन ग्रीक लैंग्वेज. Bandicoot has origin in Telugu language, but it is a kind of pig rat. Okay. Barbecue is to roast on open fire. This you know. Okay. Next, the meanings you will understand, so I have not given here, they are easy words. Veranda has origin in Portuguese language. Veranda means the open front area of the house. Robot is a machine that can be programmed to do your work in Czech language. Zero origin is in Arabic. Ski origin is in Norwegian. So that's a sport you know. Trekking you all go to you know. Trek क्या होता है? So that is a path that you go on. So that is South African or Dutch origin. Now question answers you will write. So I'm sure you will be able to do it. But two important question answers I am going to discuss. Will they make them sing in German? Even the pigeons explain. This is a very important question from this lesson. Now first you need to write introduction. You have to write answers for 3 marks, but generally 1 mark is for introduction, in which you have to give the name of the lesson as well as the name of the author and some idea about the lesson, but minimum requirement is name of the lesson and author. The last lesson, written by Alphonse Daudet, is set at the time when France was defeated in the Franco-Prussian War. German language is imposed on French people. In this story, the French districts of Alsace and Lorraine are now under the German rule, and the order has come from Berlin that only German would now onwards taught in these districts. Little Franz comes to know this, and it is like a shock to him. He thinks loudly. Matlab he just presents his thoughts. He is not speaking there. If the conquerors would go there, he thinks loudly, if the conquerors would go that far to compel pigeons to coo in German. Even the little boy understands that they are overdoing it. It shows the linguistic chauvinism of Germans and their wish to crush the local language by cutting bonds of French people with their mother tongue French. So this is the answer I have given you, right? Main points I have covered, and look at the length, you need not write more than this. But sometimes it so happens that while writing the answer you forget the author. At such a time you should directly say in the last lesson author says this and this. जैसे यहाँ पे है, अगर the last lesson is set at a time, यहाँ ऐसे कर दोगे तो फिर नहीं याद है तो फिर बाय करके जगह नहीं छोड़नी है. बाय करके जगह छोड़ के अपनी मिस्टेक हाईलाइट करते हो तुम लोग, तो फिर पता चल जाता है और आधा मार्क तुरंत कट जाता है. नहीं याद है तो द ऑथर सेज इन लास्ट लेसन सो एंड सो करके चले जाने का, वहाँ पे गैप नहीं छोड़ने की. अदरवाइज समटाइम्स द एग्जामिनर will overlook it and you will get good marks. But if you keep a gap बाय लिख के छोड़ देने का जब याद नहीं है तो फिर बाय क्यों लिखने का, बराबर ना. सो डोंट हाईलाइट योर मिस्टेक्स. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम दिस लेसन इज व्हेन पीपल आर एनस्लेव्ड as long as they hold on to their language, it is as if they had the key to their prison. Okay, so the importance of language बता रहे हैं कि लैंग्वेज अगर तुमको खुद की मदर टंग आती होगी तो तुम इवन रूलर्स पे भी विक्ट्री पा सकते हो. तो अगेन विल राइट द इंट्रोडक्शन. द लास्ट लेसन रिटन बाय अल्फोंस ड्यूडेट इज सेट एट द टाइम ऑफ फ्रांस, time when France was defeated in the Franco-Prussian War. German language is imposed on French people. Conquerors tried to subdue, means defeat, and control the enslaved people by enforcing their language on them. Germans forced German on French people of Alsace and Lorraine. As a result, local people cannot unite and plan against rulers as they lose their language. Conquerors क्यों ऐसा करते हैं? ताकि वो ज़्यादा टाइम तक वहाँ रूल कर सके, लोकल लोग एक साथ यूनिटी में ना रहे, कुछ प्लान ना कर सके. ठीक है, क्योंकि वो फॉरेन लैंग्वेज में तो प्लान नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि वो तो रूलर्स को समझ जाएगी, तो वो अपनी लैंग्वेज में प्लान करना चाहेंगे. तो उनकी लैंग्वेज पहले ख़त्म कर दो, बराबर है. अ पर्सन कैन एक्सप्रेस हिमसेल्फ लूसिडली और क्लियरली इन मदर टंग, बट इन हिस्ट्री वी कैन सी मैनी एग्जाम्पल्स when languages were forced. उसके एग्जाम्पल्स है. रोमन फोर्स लैटिन ऑन यूरोपियंस, मुगल्स brought उर्दू, ब्रिटिश brought English to India, but we Indians held on to our mother tongues and could send them away. So ये प्रूव होता है कि when people hold on to their language, it can be the key to their prison. Okay. Next we are going to look at some of the MCQ type of questions given in the textbook. Can you see? First is what a thunderclap these words were to me. यहाँ पे करेक्ट ऑप्शन क्या है? Startling and unexpected. When people are enslaved, as long as they hold on to their language, it is as if they had the key to their prison. तो यहाँ पे क्या मतलब है? व्हेन पीपल आर एंस्लेव्ड एज लॉन्ग एज दे होल्ड ऑन टू, तो कौन सा यहाँ पे चूज़ करेंगे? एज लॉन्ग एज दे डू नॉट लूज देयर लैंग्वेज. डोंट गो सो फास्ट, यू विल गेट टू योर स्कूल इन प्लेंटी ऑफ टाइम. प्लेंटी ऑफ टाइम मीन्स अर्ली इनफ. आई नेवर सॉ हिम लुक सो टॉल मीन्स ही सीम्ड वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट. तो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टॉप हियर. As I told you, you need to take down whatever notes, the paper style, everything. Okay, and start reading the lesson. Read it 2-3 times. Okay, जो प्रैक्टिस मैंने जैसे दिए पंक्चुएशन की, वैसे दूसरे उसमें से पैसेजेस you select and you also practice, because you can look in the book. When you check your punctuation, you can look in the book and make your own assessment. Okay, so your first test will be coming for this lesson. Write the question answers, prepare them, do the grammar that I have given you in this video. Stay home, stay safe, and hope to see you soon. Okay, bye.